winter diary is full. You say you wanna please me. Is that possible? I don't try to understand. It's not the touch of your hand, it's just it's far too cold for love. You send me silly messages, my fingers are too numb to text you back. You accuse me of cowardice, and yes, it's courage that I lack. It's too nippy to undress, I need me long johns and me vest. Yes, it's far too cold for love. There's wood to be collected on a mission in my van. Good to build some muscles, gotta carry as much as I can. Gotta get it back to my place, saw it up, give it the chop. Light it, burn it, get some more, with this cycle never stop. I'm just concerned with keeping warm, so don't take it so to heart. With so many layers on, we're just far too far apart. And even though we kissed, you still ain't made my winter list. No, I'm too busy, it's too cold for love. Don't ask me to make decisions, my brain's too frozen to make plans. And there's no room for hanky-panky when I've 3 gloves on each hand. I've wooding missions to fulfill. Christ, it's gonna make me ill, and it's far too cold for love. I've 1,000 lungs to chop, so I simply cannot stop. No, it's far too cold for love. So try to understand, it's not the touch of your hand, it's just it's far too cold for love.